Ihlanganisela yama-yuniyoni Congress of South African Trade Unions ithi uhulumende solanikelwa ukusuka ngomgwengweni nakukhutshwa umbiko wokugcina wekomitjhini kaZondo ukuthi aqinisekise ukuthi uzokuveza wonke amahlelo wemphakamiso zemali ekulumeni yesabelo semali sokukhibelela.
We don't have the luxury of time to waste, given the extent of corruption, bleeding the state, bleeding the economy, the real impact it has upon ordinary workers and public servants. And there are many practical measures, so you don't expect everything to be done overnight.
Uphax uthi Nanyana inarha le ilahlekelwe amabhiliyoni ngonobangela wobukhohlakali nje, kodwana kungonakala kakhulu nangesekwalisa kungakhandelwa indaba yokuzitapela. Omunye usomnotho uyayisekela indaba le uthi ingikhwama zeSouth Africa ziyoma. Uthi kufuneka kube nemali ezokusiza ukulwisana nobukhohlakali ngefanelo.
The reality is that the perception out there is that South Africa is not a very good place to invest in. And I know, for example, is that the international newspapers report about what's going on in South Africa, and we do see that the foreign investments in South Africa is down to a trickle at the moment.
Uriot uthi indaba yokuphungula indleko izokubhala khulukhulu njengombana kunamakhetho ezako nje. Kodwana uthi isikhathi sokwenza amakhetho la sona siqhakathekile.
There's a very good possibility that South Africa will be grey-listed. And the reason why, part of the reason why we could be grey-listed has to do with money laundering and corruption and all of that.
Indaba yokungezelela insetshenziswa zeparlamente nayo ithindiwe. Nabeka khuluma nesitjhaba izolo umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthe batsho umnyango wezemali kufuze ukhulumisane neparlamente uqinisekisa ukuthi iparlamente ifumana insetshenziswa ezifaneleko ukwenzela ukuthi ikwazi ukufeza imphakamiso zekomitjhini efuna ukuthi kuqiniswe ukuphatha kwayo.